Number 1.
1981 Chevrolet C30, price $7,500. This truck has 100,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a striking orange exterior paired with a black interior and is powered by a gasoline-fed 350 small block V8 engine. The truck is a two-wheel drive model and runs, drives, and stops exactly as it should. It has been well maintained, with no known mechanical issues, making it a dependable classic work truck. The paint remains in great condition, the interior has been well cared for considering its age, and it sits on a nice set of wheels and tires that complement its overall appearance. Combining reliable performance with solid condition, this C30 is a clean, well-kept classic that's ready for work or weekend cruising.
Number 2.
1976 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000. This truck has only 58,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking orange exterior with a brown interior, this gasoline-powered classic is equipped with a powerful 454 V8 engine that delivers strong performance and a smooth driving experience. The truck has been well maintained and features an Edelbrock 1903 quadrajet carburetor, which was professionally rebuilt about 2 years ago. It has also received numerous mechanical upgrades, including a new alternator, new battery, new front brakes and calipers, a new fuel pump, and a new starter. All 4 tires have been replaced with newer ones, and the truck also benefits from a newer paint job that enhances its overall appearance. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives great, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and well-preserved classic Chevrolet pickup.
Number 3.
1985 Nissan 720, price $9,500. This truck has 140,000 original miles and comes with a manual transmission and a blue exterior. It is powered by a gasoline engine and has been well maintained, making it a dependable classic pickup. Equipped with 4-wheel drive, it performs confidently both on and off the road. The previous owner added air conditioning for improved comfort, while power steering makes it easy to handle. The truck also features a rust-free body and an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo, adding modern convenience to its classic design. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives great with no major issues. It comes with a clean California title in hand and a current California registration, making it ready for its next owner.
Number 4.
1978 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,900. This truck has 100,007 miles and is powered by its original 5.7L 350 Ci V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic TH350 3-speed transmission. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior and retains its original blue and white two-tone paint, factory trim, and interior. Known for its bold rectangular front fascia, the 1978 Sierra introduced a distinctive design that stood out from other trucks of its time. This long bed model comes from Kentucky with a clean vehicle history. It has recently received extensive maintenance, including a new quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor, new gaskets, upgraded brakes, a new battery, and a complete tune-up and service. It runs and drives great, making it a well-maintained classic GMC pickup.
Number 5.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It has 260,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a classic red exterior. It is powered by a reliable Gen 3 5.3L V8 engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. Both the engine and transmission remain stock, run smoothly, and are reported to be in very healthy condition, making the truck dependable for daily driving or weekend cruising. While the paint and body show signs of age and are not in perfect condition, they are primarily cosmetic concerns. The truck only needs a few minor items to be addressed, making it a great candidate for someone looking for a solid classic pickup with a strong drivetrain, minimal rust, and plenty of potential for restoration or continued enjoyment.
Number 6.
1976 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. This truck has 71,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a reliable automatic transmission. It features a striking blue exterior matched with a blue interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck is mostly original, with the only notable upgrades being the wheels and exhaust system. It comes factory equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and remains a very straight, well-preserved example with only a few minor rust spots. The rockers, cab corners, and floor pans are all clean and solid. Originally built with factory air conditioning, the system currently needs a compressor. The truck has recently received 4 brand new tires, all fluids have been changed, new spark plugs and wires have been installed, and the original quadrajet carburetor has been professionally rebuilt, allowing the engine to start quickly and run smoothly.
Number 7.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $3,950. This truck has 211,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 3.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a classic red exterior with a clean tan interior, this two-wheel drive pickup spent its life in Tennessee and is completely rust-free, making it a standout example for its age. The truck runs and drives great, with the engine and transmission performing as they should, making it a reliable option for everyday commuting, weekend projects, or light hauling. It is also equipped with ice-cold air conditioning that keeps the cabin comfortable even on the hottest days. With its solid mechanical condition, rust-free body, and practical configuration, this Ford Ranger offers an excellent combination of reliability, simplicity, and value for anyone looking for a dependable midsize pickup.
Number 8.
1995 Ford Ranger, price $4,200. It has 174,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a white exterior, this 4x4 pickup is powered by a reliable 4.0L V6 engine that runs strong and drives exceptionally well. It comes with a clean title and has clearly been well cared for, featuring a clean, well-kept interior and a nice-looking exterior with quality paint. The truck also sits on a great set of wheels and tires that complement its overall appearance while providing a confident ride. With its dependable performance, solid condition, and rugged four-wheel drive capability, this Ranger is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable midsize pickup that is ready for daily driving, weekend adventures, or light-duty work.
Number 9.
1987 Toyota pickup, price $4,900. This truck has 225,000 miles, a dependable 22RE 2.4L 4-cylinder engine, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a 4x4 drivetrain. It features a tan exterior with a brown interior and is known for its legendary reliability and off-road capability. The current owner has owned the truck for 4 years and driven it about 2,000 miles. It runs, drives, shifts, and brakes well. Recent maintenance includes new front brake lines, brake pads and rotors, a 6-month-old battery, a recent oil change, fresh coolant, and a new fuel tank. The truck does have a few issues, including a non-working AC and temperature gauge, a cracked windshield, a tailgate that won't open, minor passenger side front damage, and some rust on the frame.
Number 10.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $2,000. This truck has just 59,000 miles and is powered by a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4WD drivetrain. It features a purple exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs, drives, and stops, but it has been sitting for a while and will need a few repairs before it is roadworthy. It has very minimal rust underneath and needs the right rear spring hanger, which is included with the sale, along with a new fuel sending unit to fix the fluctuating fuel gauge. The truck comes with a Maryland title in the previous owner's name. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, wires, coil pack, exhaust manifold gaskets, oil, air filter, fuel filter, coolant, and a recently replaced clutch.